CEEG Residential Energy Storage System Installation Guide. System Overview and Parts List. Fix the combined brackets. Install the first and second tier battery boxes and combined brackets on both sides. Place the second battery box smoothly on top of the first battery box. Slot holes in both battery boxes should fit perfectly. Install the second and third tier battery boxes and combined brackets on both sides. Install the third and fourth tier battery boxes and combined brackets on both sides. Install the converter box and combined brackets on both sides. Install the Wi-Fi module. Connect the power cord between the battery box and the inverter box. Make sure all base switches and circuit breakers are turned off. Type A power cords are used to connect the battery boxes in series with each other. Type B power cord is used to connect the positive pole on the high voltage side of the battery box to the positive pole of the inverter. Type C power cord is used to connect the negative pole on the low voltage side of the battery box to the negative pole of the inverter. Connect the communication cable between the battery box and the inverter box. Type B communication cords are used to connect the BMS COM output of the battery box to the BMS COM input of the next battery box in turn. Type A communication cords are used to connect the BMS COM input of the battery box chassis to the BMS COM port of the inverter. Connect the EPS cable. The EPS port is connected to an independent load. Connect the gray cable. Connect the CT cable. Connect the PV cable. Power on. Turn on the switch for each battery box. Turn on the PV switch. Open the battery breaker cover, and then open the battery breaker. Configure it and test Wi-Fi. Install the panels on the both sides. Installation completed.